Welcome back. Hey guys, it's Tori. Why am I so awkward? Am I recording? Woo. Hey guys, so I'm guessing you're probably here for these babies. Doc Martens. So I'm just gonna go ahead and acknowledge that the angle is bad, and I know it doesn't matter, but the angle is so bad. We all know that Doc Martens can be a little bit expensive, and for me, it's not easy to find my size. I got these off of Poshmark for $45, and the front of them have been scuffed up a little, but for me, I think that's a pretty good price for my first Docs. So for your first Docs, I would recommend maybe thrifting them, but go into a shoe store first and try on your size. It's a little complicated because there's UK sizes and then there's US sizes, and sometimes it's like, this is a 6 in UK, or this is a 6 in US, and those two are completely different. I don't know, I may be getting this wrong. All I know is when I tried them on at the store, I tried a 6 on, and they were just way too big. And the bad news was I had already ordered these off of Poshmark because I was a little too excited. Luckily, these came in and they fit perfectly. So I don't really know what that is. I have to do more research. But most likely you're here because you want to know how to style Docs. First place to start would be Pinterest and then YouTube. So I'm ready to go. There is so much dry shampoo in my hair, you don't even know. And I realize I'm wearing the same shirt that I did in my first video. I promise I wash it. Okay, well, I'm gonna move my chair, I guess. And now we're gonna go into the magic closet.
Dragon tales, it's almost time for dragon tales. Come along, take my hand, let's all go to Dragonland.
Hello, voiceover. So this is the easiest outfit you could probably ever put together. It's just a red shirt, a tank top, and some jeans. I got the tank top from Amazon, the red shirt I got thrifting, and the pants I got from Old Navy. And to switch things up, boom, a jacket. Just completely changes the look depending on what kind of jacket you wear. And to make things even better, I thrifted this jacket and I absolutely love it. And then obviously you can switch the shirt out to something controversial if you want. Please don't start a fight with me, you will lose. And actually I'm wearing long socks, and I'll explain why I do that for each outfit at the end of the video. Out of all the outfits, this one's probably the comfiest. I got my jean jacket from Target, my dress from Old Navy, and then I have my gray socks to complement everything else. And then of course, you completely change the outfit just by changing the jacket. Okay, now who doesn't love overalls? Come to think of it, I got these from Old Navy too. I just get everything from Old Navy. And the great thing about overalls is you can hide your controversial shirt. And you can even roll up your pants to show cute socks. You know, my great-grandmother would call it coveralls because it would cover your alls. But anyways, this outfit I put a nice dad sweater on and I'm ready for the winter cold outside. This outfit I didn't enjoy too much, but it's your typical Pinterest look. It's just not me, so I decided to switch out the skirt. And I was so surprised how happy it looked. How happy it looked? I mean, how good it looked and how happy I looked inside of it. This was a vintage dress, and I cut it up. Haven't even bought the elastic yet to fix it, so a shoestring is holding it up. But you know, it just gives me Phoebe from Friends vibes. Hello. So I hope that maybe gave you inspiration for what kind of Doc Martens outfits you should create. The reason why I wear long socks with Doc Martens is because this will happen. Wait, this. It depends on the boot, I guess. Depends on the shoe. But the tops of my shoes were rubbing against my leg, and that made a sore spot. So wearing long socks helps that. And I mean, look, you can get fun designs, lots of different colors. It's an excuse to buy socks. I eat way too much peanut butter for my own good. You have no idea. I tried getting off of coffee. As you can see, I failed miserably. It's almost the same color as I am, so I guess that kind of says something. Doc Martens are especially good for colder weather, and now I feel like I have some outfits put together for school. So anyway, I hope this video helped. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I really hope you have a wonderful rest of the week. Don't go yet. I think we have some bloops. But hey, I'll see you later. Thanks for hanging out with me.
Wat hakte alle mannen, fest full fest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn, fest full fest hela dagen.
But you're probably here. You know, I eat way too much peanut.